Another very easy way of installation, adding adhesive tape without damaging your floor. This guide will tell you. Why choose our carpet tiles? Simply because its durability that can last for decades can create an outstanding luxurious look. Very attractive, high quality, easy to cut, easy to clean, easy to transport, and less expensive. For just 6 dirhams each. Carpet tiles are a great flooring solution that makes installation easier. Perfect. Available in a wide range of colors and designs. What are you waiting for? Get yours now. WhatsApp to order 052 781 6100.